So CBT Nuggets just released 3 completely free AI tools for IT professionals. And honestly, the one that surprised me the most isn't the one you'd expect. Now, let's start with the IT Value Calculator. It's basically a way to see how much money your company can save with CBT Nuggets training. Now, this one is clearly aimed at managers, business owners, or anyone trying to justify training budgets. You plug in general company information, and it generates AI-driven market analysis, estimated annual cost savings, industry challenges and opportunities, and ROI projections for IT training. And it does it fast. If you've ever had to convince leadership that IT training is worth it, this gives you actual numbers to bring to them. Now, switching gears a bit, the IT personality test. Now, this isn't your typical what IT job should you get quiz. You answer about 20 non-technical questions, nothing about subnetting or Linux commands. It's personality questions that maps you to a potential career path based on how you think. It gives you role suggestions, explanations, and even tells you why it chose that path. I took it a few times. I changed some of my answers, I got slightly different results, but it was fun. And the explanations? Solid. And then the third tool goes even deeper, the IT Certification Matrix. This one feels like a searchable, interactive career map. You can sort by IT segment, vendor, or top 50 certifications. Click into something like network administration and you get what the role actually does, certification vendors, exam costs, time limit, passing score, renewal cycles, salary data, job listings, and even a built-in skills gap assessment. It's surprisingly comprehensive. Now, overall, this feels like CBT Nuggets trying to remove friction. It's not just here's training, it's here's how to justify it, here's how to plan it, and here's how to choose your path. If you try them, I'm genuinely curious. Did the personality test give you a good match? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.